Is your website slow? Expensive to maintain? Or constantly going down? Or maybe you've been delaying starting your blog or business because hosting feels too costly or too complicated? Well, you're not alone. Most beginners, bloggers, and business owners struggle with the same issues: slow website speed, confusing dashboards, expensive hosting plans, and the fear of wasting money on the wrong platform. But what if I told you there's a hosting provider that solves all these problems, without burning a hole in your pocket? Let me introduce you to Hostinger, one of the fastest, most reliable, and beginner-friendly hosting providers in the world. And right now, during the Hostinger Black Friday Sale 2025, you can get up to 85% off, a free domain, free SSL, free backups, and powerful tools to build and grow your website. Most people delay creating a website because hosting feels too expensive. They worry about technical setup. They're afraid of slow loading times. They don't want to deal with downtime. Or they simply don't know where to start. And trust me, I've been there too. I personally use Hostinger for multiple websites, my blogs, service site, and affiliate projects. Why? Because Hostinger gave me the perfect balance of speed, simplicity, support, and affordability. Even as my websites grew, Hostinger stayed fast, stable, and reliable. Here's what makes Hostinger stand out, and why it's perfect for beginners and professionals. Blazing fast light speed servers. Your website loads super fast, boosting SEO, user experience, and conversions. Free domain plus free SSL. Start your website professionally and securely without extra cost. AI Website Builder. Build your site in minutes, even if you have zero technical skills. Weekly and daily backups. Never worry about losing your website data. 99.9% uptime. Your website stays online 24/7 without interruptions. Super simple H panel. Beginner-friendly dashboard that makes everything easy. 24/7 live chat support. Real humans ready to help you anytime you need. And here's the best part. The Hostinger Black Friday Sale 2025 is live right now. You can get up to 85% off. Free domain worth Rs 799 Rs 1,20. Free SSL. Free backups. AI Website Builder. And the lowest hosting price of the entire year. Whether you're in India or the USA, this is the biggest Hostinger deal you'll find. These deals won't come back again for the next 12 months. After Black Friday, prices will return to normal, and renewal rates will be much higher. So if you've been thinking about starting a blog, launching your business website, or switching to faster hosting, this is the perfect time. And when you purchase Hostinger using my referral link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonus pack worth 2,999 rupees, including WordPress Setup Guide, Top 10 Plugins Toolkit, SEO Jumpstart Checklist, Blog Post Template. This bundle helps you set up your website quickly and start ranking faster. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below, grab the Hostinger Black Friday 2025 deal, claim your free bonus pack, and start building your online presence today. Claim your Hostinger Black Friday deal now.